So there are some coins that you can just receive on the Binance, and then they just give you some difficulties on withdrawing them on the Binance. That's what we are going to deal with today. On my account, all you can see over here is that I have received 132 TRX, and maybe this one becomes difficult when you just go direct to withdraw on the P2P trending. And I want you to come to P2P, and you see there's no TRX over here. Okay, there's no TRX on the peer-to-peer. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? And the other thing is, the moment you just go even to the conversion, when you just go to convert, you see I have received 132 TRX. So the moment you just go, let's say I want to convert that 132 TRX coin, and yeah, so I will just have to click from I just search TRX, and then I have to select TRX over here, and then maybe I just want to click like the BNB, something like that, or USDT. So you can see the moment you just put the amount over here, maximum, it says that the minimum amount that you just need to convert is 205. And remember, I have only 131 TRX. What am I going to do? You see, even if I try to convert, it cannot convert. What are you going to do? That is what we are going to handle today. So first of all, foremost, number one step that you just have to make, go to the wallet, go to the overview. Okay, so that is step number one. Just follow this one because it's very important. The question I've been getting from different people now. So you will just have any coin you just receive, you will be following the steps I'm going to show you over here. Any coin that have the same problem. Okay, so after clicking the that one, so you can see the amount of money I have 1,300. I have more than $10. Okay, so you just have to go to the derivatives and then coin features. Okay, that is step number 2. After going to the coin features, then you can see on the balance over there, you just have to click those arrows so that you can just transfer from the flattened spot now to coin features. Over here, downward over here, you can see we have flattened spot. You just have to select from spot, flattened spot, and over the coin we just have what we have, TRX Tron. That is what we have, and we just have to transfer it to coin and features. So that is step number 3. So you, after transferring it over here, so the next thing that we just have to do, and let's see, let me show you that the coin already has come over here, and we are going to select TRX. The moment you just click TRX over here, I'm going to show you the available balance now on the on the coin features. And the moment you just select that one, you can see the balance is this one. I have transferred all of it to coin features. Now that is the balance over there. Now the next thing that you just have to do on the coin features, just go to the wallet and then click coin features over here. The moment you just click that one, that is step number 4. I hope you are following. This is very simple. It's very simple. Okay, so after clicking over here, we have come over here, and now you can see everything over here. So this is the only platform that help us to now convert to any currency we just want. So we are going to convert from, now you click convert, and we are going to convert from TRX to what? We can select BNB now. We can just select BNB, and the moment you just click BNB, you can put any amount of TRX you want to convert. For me, I want to convert of it, and then you press confirm, and you can see we have successfully converted the TRX to BNB. Something very interesting now. Okay, the next thing we are just going to do now is now to reverse money, where we took the money and to take it back to fiat and the spot wallet. And we are going to click BNB over here, and those arrows, conversion, coin and features go up, and then fiat goes down, and then you can just click maximum, and you can see now we have BNB. And the moment you just come over here down one and confirm, you can see those arrows, they are on alternated already, and I confirm over here and transfer successfully. That means on our fiat and spot wallet we have what? We have BNB. Okay, and BNB is one of the money that is in peer-to-peer. That means we are now able to sell the money. Now you have BNB on your wallet, that is fiat and spot account, and what we are just going to do now is to transfer our money direct now to funding wallet. The funding wallet, peer-to-peer, that is P2P, is under funding wallet. So we are going to transfer our BNB now to funding wallet. Now not CRX but BNB. Now we have BNB over here, and you select BNB, and you can confirm and say maximum or any amount of money you just want to withdraw there at funding wallet. So after going over there, now we have transferred our money. You can see every money has just gone to funding wallet. So I have to go to trending, and now I have to go to P2P, that is peer-to-peer trending. Now it's very interesting. So we are going to click sell, not USDT. We have BNB on our account, and now the foremost thing is you can earn the method of payment. Click more over here, and then you can just earn payment method. You can put your paybill number, bank account number with the paybill, and you can put even your mobile number, even where you just want to receive your money to. You can now come here after you put your payment method, come to sell, and what you want to sell. I want to sell BNB, right? So if I want to sell BNB, now I have to come here to select the customer that I just want to sell to, and the things that I have to consider over here is the orders the guy has done, and the percentage of completion, and also the limit maybe from 500 to whatever. You can see my account and 1,300. That means from 500 and above can just cater me for that. So I come over here, like this one has done over 1,000 and the completion of 94, and then more you go down, the more the money becomes less. You can see over here, like this one I will receive 1418, that is 1,418 Kenya shillings, and the money will just be sent to my number. That is my number over here, that my MPESA number, my MPESA number. Okay, now let me just select the first guy because he's selling higher, he's buying higher. So I have just the money will just go to my account. So I just have to click all of it, and I will receive 1432, of course more. So I have to select sell. Okay, and the guy now will send money to my bank. The moment I just confirm that I have received the money on my bank account, I now have to confirm that I have received, and the money will just be the coin will just be released to him. Okay, so after receiving the money, you just have to come over here. You can see it is just counting. You just have to wait. You don't have even to wait for 1 hour. Then I received this money after 5 minutes. So you just wait for money to come to your account, and then you mark the order spent, and then you see confirm release up, and then you have to confirm release. The code will just be sent to your phone to confirm you have received money, and then the BNB will just be released to him. So that's the whole process. I hope you have understood this. You can repeat the video more and more times to understand, but if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comment section. I'll make sure I answer all your questions. Yes, I'll see you in the next time. Goodbye.